Hi, my dearest friends. How are you? I hope you are well and are implementing the healing techniques you learned during my Intuitive Healing Practitioner course. Many people have told me that they loved my certificate course and it was a very powerful course and helped them to understand their life and their own body. People also ask me about what is the next step they can do to improve their intuitive skills and their intuitive healing education. I am glad to hear such wonderful feedback about my course, and I am happy to continue working with you. Now I want to invite you to do my Diploma Intuitive Healing Practitioner course, which starts on the 21st of June. The Diploma course is even more powerful than the first course. It teaches you to identify the emotional types according to each chakra. Each chakra has 4 emotional types. When you know these types, reading people becomes easy. Also, when you identify the emotional type of a person, you can give people intuitive healing prescriptions according to their type. The course provides all the prescriptions for each emotional type. The prescriptions include emotional advice, supplements, vitamins, herb, special diets, exercises for each emotional type. Each prescription is very specific and very powerful for the type of a person. For example, at the level of first chakra, the tribal chakra, there are 2 extremes of people. The first extremes are people who feel safe only when they're in the tribe, in the family, surrounded by people, but they don't feel safe on their own. The other extreme are people who don't feel safe when they are in the tribe, in the family, and they can't handle tribal politics at all. I call them lone wolves. They feel safe when they're by themselves, on their own. Both extremes are unhealthy and create illnesses in the first chakra level. Each extreme has 2 subtypes. Therefore, there are 4 emotional types at the first chakra level. Another example is the second chakra, love and money energy. This chakra also has 2 extremes of people. One extreme are people who I call go-getters. They make money anywhere they go, like Donald Trump. But they are not good at creating loving and nurturing relationships. They're all about business and work, but not about love and nurturing, like Donald Trump. The other extreme are people, I call them I live for love. They can't make money, but they always show great compassion, love and nurturing to everybody. They often say, I live for love. And this is their type. I live for life, love, only love but no money. Both extremes are unhealthy and create problems. So when you know these types and subtypes, and there are 4 types in each chakra, reading people becomes very easy. And you can also prescribe them remedies according to their type. It is very powerful and make healing very effective. This is what we're going to learn in the Diploma course. This course will help you become a powerful healer. It will improve your healing capacity and diagnosing skills. You will benefit a lot from doing this course. You will be able to prescribe the right remedies to yourself and to other people. The intuitive healing prescriptions include intuitive healing advice, supplements, herbs, vitamins, and physical exercise regimen for each type. You will become a great practitioner when you know all these prescriptions. I am looking forward to working with you again. Please let me know what you think. But for meantime, stay brilliant. And I see you soon.